Institutional and program accreditation, quality audits and academic reviews as quality assurance mechanisms in higher education. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Higher education in most developing countries is going through expansion as a result of increased competition, limited resources, mass education and accountability to other stakeholders. All these have raised concerns about the quality of education in institutions of higher learning. In other instances, this at times unplanned and chaotic expansion has resulted in a decline in the quality of higher education that could have serious consequences. In this regard, most southern African countries, which include Angola, Botswana, Eswatini, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, advocated for mechanisms to improve the quality of higher education. Therefore, this chapter explores the role of institutional and program accreditation, quality audits, and academic reviews as essential quality assurance mechanisms in higher education. The literature review approach guides the review of existing research and literature at the center of this chapter. This aims to provide a comprehensive and evidence-based discourse. Hence, it interrogates the processes and standards involved in institutional and program accreditation, highlighting their significance in ensuring academic excellence, compliance with educational standards, and fostering continuous improvement. In addition, the examination of the accreditation processes and standards reveals significant challenges, maintaining consistency and equity across higher education institutions. This underscores the need for a more transparent and adaptable accreditation framework to address evolving stakeholder needs. Further to this, the chapter delves into quality audits and academic reviews as tools for evaluating institutional performance, effectiveness, and alignment with strategic goals. Through analysis, it looks at the impact of these mechanisms on enhancing teaching and learning, maintaining institutional reputation, and meeting the needs of diverse stakeholders. Finally, the chapter considers the challenges and opportunities associated with these quality assurance practices in a dynamic higher education landscape. The chapter concludes by recommending the adoption of a standardized accreditation framework to address discrepancies and ensure equitable implementation across higher education institutions. Additionally, it advocates for stakeholder engagement in the design of accreditation standards to enhance transparency and adaptability to both the regional and local contexts. Thus, this chapter emphasizes the importance of improving accreditation, audits and academic review processes, highlighting how streamlined and transparent standards can empower practitioners to enhance institutional quality. Introduction. In today's competitive world, maintaining high standards in higher education is crucial. This chapter explores how colleges and universities use tools like accreditation, audits, and academic reviews to ensure quality and improve their performance. These tools help institutions meet international standards, build trust, and stay accountable to students and the public. They also support student mobility and recognition across borders. In Southern Africa, these quality checks are especially important for growth and credibility. The chapter explains how these systems work, why they matter, and the challenges schools face when trying to apply them effectively. Conclusion. In Southern Africa, accreditation, audits, and academic reviews are essential tools that help universities maintain high standards and improve continuously. Accreditation builds trust and aligns institutions with global standards, while audits and reviews help schools reflect on their performance and make improvements. Although these systems work well, they face challenges like keeping up with changes in education and requiring a lot of time and resources. Still, When used wisely, they protect the quality of education and encourage innovation. As education evolves, these tools must also grow to meet new expectations and help institutions deliver strong, future-ready learning. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.